Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious sweet pongal using millets. I'm going to use foxtail millet. In a pressure cooker, add half cup of millet. To this, add 1 tablespoon of moong dal. Turn on the heat and dry roast them for a couple of minutes till you get a nice aroma. I could get a nice aroma now. Turn off the heat and wash it a few times. I've washed it now. To this I'm going to add 2 cups of water. The rice to water ratio is like 1:4. So for half cup of rice I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Mix well and close the lid. And we have to pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles. It has to be cooked to soft. Meanwhile I'm going to prepare a jaggery syrup. Heat a pan and I'm going to add powdered jaggery. For 1 cup of rice, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of powdered jaggery. So I've taken half cup of rice. So for this, I need to add 3/4 of a cup of powdered jaggery. You can adjust the sweetness according to your preference. You can increase or decrease as per your taste. I'm going to add 3/4 of powdered jaggery. To this, add water sufficient enough for it to get immersed. Mix well and let it cook only till it gets dissolved. Do not cook for a long time, else it will become like a string consistency. We don't need to do that. It's sufficient enough, just it gets dissolved. Let it rest for a few minutes. It's been cooked for 3-4 whistles now. Let's open it and see how it is. It's been cooked to soft and we have to mash it well using a masher. To this, strain and add the jaggery syrup. Turn on the heat again and mix well. Make sure the heat is at medium. Let the jaggery and rice get cooked together for at least a couple of minutes. Keep mixing. So in the small pan, I have heated 1.5 tablespoon of ghee. To this, I'm going to add few cashews. When it starts turning light brown, I'm going to add few raisins and fry them till the raisins get bulged. Now add the fried cashews and raisins along with this ghee to the pongal. Give it a good mix. And towards the end, I'm going to add half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well again. And just before turning off the heat, add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. It gives a nice flavor to the pongal. Mix it again and you can turn off the heat. That's all. Our delicious and healthy foxtail millet sweet pongal is now ready. Do try this recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.